Well, bad news, folks. The van broke down yesterday. It was like minus 47 or something with the wind chill, like minus 39 Celsius without the wind chill. Anyways, was driving it. It took like 15 minutes for it to come up to temperature. Needed a bit of a boost to start. These vans have two starter options, a 1.2 kilowatt non-cold weather starter and a 1.6 kilowatt cold weather version. This van was from the US, so I'm pretty sure it didn't have the cold weather one, but that's a change that's going to be made while it's at the shop right now. But yeah, this is really its first cold weather test, so I'm not sure what happened. The temperature was kind of playing some games, but it never overheated. All of a sudden it started making like a weird ticking sound, and I've had a Volkswagen that had a valve problem which destroyed the whole engine. And so, needless to say, I'm really hoping it's not that. It could also be a misfire. There's a lot of little weird things that could be going on that could have caused something to happen. Weird. Just got to check both ways. You have to articulate your whole body when you have these kind of hoods on. I'm just heading to the bus now to meet the tow truck driver, and then hopefully I'll have a verdict, I don't know, hopefully by tomorrow. And I'm hoping it's simple, but because it's my daily driver, doing public transit now. So we'll see in a minute when we get to the tow truck. Well, hopefully it's temporary. Weird sounds. Importing US vehicle has not yet been Canada proven. It's like minus 45 right now. Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. The sounds that were coming were not pretty, so I'm a little reluctant to expect it to be a short-term fix, but one can be hopeful. Maybe it was just a misfire. Started sounding like a diesel. I don't know what that means, but I'll know hopefully by tomorrow. Yeah, this makes me miss my old one because it started every time. Didn't matter whether it was plugged in or not. For all of you Americans plugging in a vehicle, I'm gonna run here so that I can get across the road before the walk symbol changes. In Canada, you plug your vehicle in so that a little block heater, usually 300-400 watts, sometimes a little more, heats up the coolant of the vehicle so it's like 5, 10, sometimes 20 degrees hotter than it is outside. Anyway, I'm going to catch a bus to get home. Anyways, yeehaw.